approaching Russell, Kansas.
Stratford, Texas. Southwest Oklahoma.
We just left Woodward, Oklahoma. We're in southeastern Iowa.
Storm riders Simon Brewer and Justin Drake sometimes spend weeks at a time on the road, away from the comfort of their homes.
These long drives just kill my lower back, I'm not kidding.
And that means constantly trying to find a place to sleep.
Read this one, you gotta read this one.
Stay away from this motel. The pool is the only thing about it, but even that isn't worth the trouble.
What started as an on-the-road necessity is now an evening tradition.
Whenever the chase is over and it's time to find a place to stay, we go on Google Maps and we look at hotel reviews in whatever city we want to spend the night at. It's always funny to look at some of the rattier hotels that are in whatever city we're staying at, because some people write some hilarious reviews about that hotel. They started off with the subject, the crack motel. This is a real hole. The AC blows heat, the rooms are moldy and full of African roaches. And for $10 more, you could stay at a nice motel on the interstate. This is probably the only place in Salina where you could be robbed and murdered.
You're kidding me.
No, I'm not. You're better off driving down the road a few miles and sleeping in your car. While I was sitting in bed with my wife, a beetle crawled up on her pillow. There was a sign up front about the farmer's harvest and the beetles saying there are no harm and stuff like that. So they even acknowledge the fact there's like beetles everywhere.
Hopefully we'll never have to stay at any of these hotels because the reviews are pretty horrendous. The mold, the dirt, the possible prostitutes.
But these less than ideal accommodations are just the nature of the chase.
Run away. Grossest motel in Texas, I would guess.